It was August 14th, 2016, and we were in Minneapolis on a vacation. Millie's phone rang and realized our house was on fire. There was nothing left.
In that last 24 hours since we had found out, there was this wave of love and support that totally filled us up.
There was already, a box of clothes and signs and cards and balloons.
There were these kids who would have these lemonade stands with a big sign that said, for the Flanigans. And then they would come up and give us this big bag of coins, to say, here, to rebuild your house. At some point along the way, we realized, due to what it takes to build a home in Steamboat, that we were going to need some more financing to make this happen.
The president of Yampa Valley Bank reached out to us and said if there's anything that they can do to help us out, to come see him.
That was their motivation, was to help us, and we felt it, and it changed everything for us. What we learned through this fire is, what really matters is not your things, it's relationships, and it's love, and it is community.
The investment is there that they do want to power the growth of families and businesses and helping people build new homes.
We didn't build this house. The community built this house. Yampa Valley Bank, in particular, represents that community.